Hey guys, it's Alana J back again with another self-love, self-care Sunday. As you guys can see, we are doing our nails today, and this is one of my favorite things to do. I do this on a 3 week to 4 week basis usually. So right now I'm picking out my nails. Also, please don't mind my voice. I don't know what's going on, but my throat has definitely been sore. But I just wanted to show you guys one of my favorite ways of self-love is doing my own nails, and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So I'm trying to get all my energy together, just show you guys how I do it. This kit that you guys see me using, the Gel X tips, it is from Amazon. I will have it linked in the description below, as well as all of the other items you guys see me using in this video. So right now I'm just making sure that all of the tips I chose are working on my nails. They're lined up sidewall to sidewall. This is what the kit looks like fully, numbers 1 through 12 I believe. And I am just keep measuring sidewall to sidewall for Gel X nails. And this is more than just the tip, so it is the full nail, and then you measure it, you make sure it's good, and then you go from there. As you guys can see now, I have begun my filing, and I will definitely say that the prep work of Gel X, it takes longer than polishing in some designs. The prep work is what's most important. So I just make sure that my nails are dehydrated, and I do that by just filing off any excess oil. You can also use a dehydrator. I'll link one down in the bio if you want to see, or in the description if you guys want to see one, but I just use my hand file, very easy to use. Then I grab the Beetles nail glue, everything except for the Gel X tips are by Beetles. Beetles is the best brand for Gel X as far as I'm concerned. They have so many colors, so many shades, and so many different types of polishes and primers and finishers that there's no way that you can't execute the type of design you want for your nails, whether it be simple or extravagant. Absolutely love Beetles, and they're so affordable. So I just applied the glue to that nail that you guys see me holding, and I'm just making sure it is on there properly. Sometimes you will have excess where you need to wipe off, and this is always why I do my nails on a paper towel, and I have 2 paper towels so that I am making sure that no gel comes in contact with my skin, because it can cause contact dermatitis. So far I haven't had any of that, so you just want to be careful when you're doing Gel X nails. Honestly, I feel like it's way safer than acrylic nails. My natural nail beds have been so healthy since I started doing Gel X nails, and also since I started doing my own nails. So I cure everything for 60 seconds. I know you guys probably have seen on like TikTok or Instagram where people cure their nails with the flash cure, and they do it for 30 seconds, and then once all the nails are on, they do it for 60. Honestly, I tried that and it didn't last as long as I wanted it to for me personally. So what I like to do is, because I am using a UV light, I just make sure there's sunscreen on my hands, and I put each nail curing for 60 seconds. You do not have to do this. Me personally, I like to be as low maintenance as possible, and by that I have to be as high maintenance as possible. So I have to choose things that last longer so that I don't have to do as much, and one of the things to do that is having a longer cure time. Sorry guys. So now you're going to see I'm just making sure the nail is good and applied, and then I go in with my next one, still making sure I'm picking up the same nail, it's going on properly, all of that. Before I also put the nail on my finger, I pushed my cuticles down. This was so that I am sealing the cuticle. That's what makes the set look as natural as possible. You could cut your around your cuticle, or you could use acetone and just push down. Personally, I just use the nail tip and just push my cuticles down a little bit. They don't need to be cut right now, so it's all good there. And the set looks really, really good. So that's what I do. You don't have to do that though, but that's just what was easiest for me. And I was just doing that same process. I'm making sure that I'm putting on the nails as best as I can, as straight as I can. Sometimes the tip, well, it's not really a tip, but sometimes the Gel X nail does go on a little crooked, and that's okay, because when you're filing and shaping and all of that, doesn't even matter. You cannot even tell. Back under the lamp again, and this lamp is by Beetles as well. So like I said, usually with Gel X they want you to use the same brand for everything, and so that's what I decided to do. I use the same brand for everything. So this will also be in the description box below. And I just let my fingers sit in there and cure until the lamp goes off. I love that the lamps go off by itself because I do a bunch of different things when I'm doing my nails. I'll have a movie on, I'll either be on TikTok, I keep myself occupied, and it's just so therapeutic, and I just love to really spend the time on my nails. And I've been doing my own nails since 2020. Of course, you guys know everything closed down in 2020, right? Due to COVID, all the other stuff, And so I couldn't go to my favorite nail salon and get my nails done. And one of the things that I love to do is get my nails done. Pause on my story. So right now I am clipping my nails. I don't keep them that long. I just get a really long shape. It's called XXL. I get that shape so that I can customize my nail shape to whatever I like it to be. But so far I've been obsessed with this short square shape. Absolutely love it. Resume on my story. So I just could not deal with not having my nails done. Oh, repause on my story. This is the Beetles foundation gel. This is going to be your base gel. I just did one little light coat of that, and then I'm getting into my color. This color is the perfect nude for my skin tone. Absolutely loved it. Replay on my story. So yeah, I could not, for the life of me, just not have my nails done. It was, I don't know what it was, but it was just like, girl, have your nails done. I'm always looking at my hands and my skin and everything, and I just needed to feel put together, if you will. And so I went through the poly gel phase, the just gluing on nail tip phase. I used to do that back when I was younger, but I always hated it. And poly gel, I was trying to get used to it. I started to learn. I didn't really like it. It was okay. And then it didn't come until 2021 where I kept trying to do like Gel X nails, but I wasn't really getting it, but I was trying. Still going to the nail salon after the nail salon started opening up again, and it just got way more expensive. So I went back to Gel X. while I was living in Miami, I was really on my gel X stuff because I was in a brand new place, did not have a nail salon at all, could not for the life of me really find one that was affordable, good, and was gonna do the shape I want, the simplicity that I want, but still have it look classy. Like, that's what I like my nails to look. I like them to look clean, classy, simple, because it just gives elegance, you know. I don't know. That's how I feel. So, yeah, that was me. And then here we are, 2023, pretty much end of 2023, and I have really perfected how to do my own nails. And this is how I do it. You can also find a quicker tutorial on my TikTok. I believe I also have it on my Instagram as well, but it's definitely on my TikTok. And I just wanted to share you guys my backstory of how I started doing my own nails, why I started doing my own nails, the products I use, where I got it from, everything. So I'm almost done here, and I just love doing my own nails. So if you find something that is a self-love, self-care that you love doing, do it. Like, look at my nails, look how gorgeous they look. Oh my goodness, they look so good. And then I use some cuticle oil, which has been helping my cuticles, because I put that stuff on every day. I'm addicted to it now, and my nails just stay done. If one of these little things pop off in about 2 to 3 weeks, I just go back home, go into my room, and do the nail again. Simple as that. It doesn't hurt, doesn't bother me. They're easy to manage, easy to maintain, and I love doing them. So, yeah. I mean, I'm just rubbing that cuticle oil in, girl. Just rubbing that cuticle oil in. It's so nice. But look at the finished product. Oh, we love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.